Yes, good evening dear students. Today in this video tutorial I am going to tell you about round of the numbers, and the other name of this concept is also called estimation. Yes, now for rounding of the numbers there are the three different concepts. Yes, that is round of the numbers to the nearest round of the numbers to the nearest tens, then nearest hundreds, and the third is that is nearest thousands. So this is very interesting and easy topic. Yes, listen carefully. For example, we are given the number that is 43 and we have to round off this to the nearest tens. So firstly we will write the places up to tens, ones, tens. Now we have to round off this number, and with this number will be underlined. Yes, we have to round off the tens place digit and this digit will be underlined. The underlined digit will become 0. The underlined digit will become 0 and we have to round off this digit. So we will think, firstly we will think what will be written in place of this. When you will think, we will observe ones place. Listen carefully. If a ones place digit is 5 or more than 5, then tens place digit will be next. If a ones place digit is 5 or more than 5, then tens place digit will be next. But if ones place digit is less than 5, so tens place digit will remain same. So in this question you can see ones place digit is less than 5. So here tens place digit will remain same. So here we got 40. So 43 rounded off to the nearest tens we get 40. Now see one more example. This is 67. Here we will write ones, here we will write tens. This is the rounding of the number to the nearest tens. We will make a circle and we will underline this. Underlined digit will become 0 and we have to round off this digit. So firstly we will observe ones place digit. If ones place digit is 5 or more than 5, then it will become next. If ones place digit is less than 5, so it will remain same. So here in this sum we can see ones place digit is 7, it is more than 5, so tens place digit will become next digit, so it will become 70. So here the answer is 70. Yes, see one more example. If there is 349, yes, so here you can see we have to convert these, round off these numbers to the nearest tens. We will write ones, tens. Okay, nearest tens, so we will write only up to tens. We have to round off this number. With rounding off, this digit will be underlined. Yes, underlined digit will become 0. So here we have to round off nearest tens. So tens place digit will be written carefully. We will observe ones place digit. If ones place digit is more than 5, so it will become next. So we can see here it is more than 5, so it will become next, and 4's next is 5. So here there is no role of this digit, we will write it as it is. So our answer is 350. Yes, same in the nearest hundreds. For example, we are having 137. We have to round off this to the nearest hundred. Firstly, we will write the places ones, tens, hundred. Okay, we have to round off the digit of 100 place, so we will underline these both digits. So both the underlined digits will become 0. Yes, and we have to write the 100 place digit by observing tens place. Yes, we will write 100 place digit by observing tens place. Now tens place, if it is 5 or more than 5, so 100 place digit will become next. If it is less than 5, so 100 place digit will written as it is. Now here you can see tens place digit is less than 5. So 100 place digit will be written as it is. So the answer will be 100. 137 rounded off, it will be 100. Yes. See one more example. 758. This is ones, this is tens, and this is 100. So it is nearest hundreds. So we have to write this digit carefully, and others will be underlined. Underlined digits will become 0. We have to write this carefully. So with this, neighbor of this digit is 5. Tens place digit is 5. So 100 place digit will become next. As already I told you, if tens place digit is 5 or more than 5, so 100 place digit will be next. Okay. If it is less than 5, so 100 place digit will be written as it is. Now here in this sum, tens place digit is 5. So 100 place digit will become next digit. So it is 800. So here the answer is 800. Now see one more example. If we are given 4625. Yes, we have to round off this to the nearest hundreds. So ones, tens, 100. Yes, so 100 we have to round off, and these both will be underlined. Underlined digits will become 0. Now here this digit will be rounded off. So for rounding this digit, we will see tens place digit. Now here you can see tens place digit is less than 5. So 100 place digit will be written as it is. So here we are doing nearest hundreds. So here no role of the thousand place. So it will be written as it is. So our answer is 4600. Yes, in the same way we will write round of the numbers to the nearest thousand. For example, here it is 7329. So here ones, tens, 100, 1000. Nearest thousand we have to round off. So we will circle this digit, and all other digits will be underlined. Yes, underlined digits will become 0. And we have to write this digit carefully by observing its neighbor digit, and its neighbor digit is less than 5, so it will remain same. So it will be written as it is. So the answer is 7000. Now see one more example. If there it is 9872. This is ones, tens, 100, 1000. Yes, we have to round off to the nearest thousand. Other digits will be underlined. Underlined digits will become 0. Yes, and 1000 place digit, because it is nearest thousand, so 1000 place digit will be written according to the its neighbor digit. Neighbor digit is 8. It is more than 5, so 1000 place digit will become next. So here 9's next is 10. So the answer is 10,000. Yes, 9872 rounded off to the nearest thousand, it is 10,000. Hope you have understood this concept. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful day ahead.